forever. So on this one, it says that a volume of 1.5 liters. Let's just start writing this stuff down, right? So they're telling me that I've got a volume, an initial volume of 1.5 liters, right? And then of a gas has a temperature, my initial temperature, of 150 Kelvin. And then it has a pressure, ooh, this is all three, has a pressure of 340 kilopascal. If the temperature of the gas increases 200 K, well, what's 200 K plus 150? Right? 350. So if it says increases, oh wait, no, it says increases to 200. See, I got excited. So the new temperature is 200. So T2 equals 200. And this is problem number 4. What did I do? Do number 5? Yeah. All right, let's finish this one because I'm recording it, and then we'll bounce back to the other one. Sorry. This is number 5. Sorry, I went out of order. So anyways, and the volume decreases to 1 liter, so that means that my second volume is 1 liter. I'm trying to hurry before the bell rings. And this is 1.5 liters. I got to remember my units. What is the new pressure? So we're going to start over here. We're going to say P1 V1 over T1 is equal to P2 V2 T2. And then if I plug in my numbers here, I'm going to have, actually what I want to do is they're asking me for P2, right? We don't know what P2 is. So I'm going to solve, watch what I do. I want to move the V2 away from P2, so I'm going to divide by V2 because originally I'm multiplying. And then I'm going to multiply by T2 because originally I'm dividing by T2. So remember that whatever I do on one side of the equal sign, I could do on the other. So over here, I'm running out of space, but I'm going to say T2 over V2. And it looks a little sloppy, but this cancels with this, this cancels with this, this cancels with this, and I'm going to get T2 times P1 times V1 is equal to, or over, V2 T1. You could do it. You're smart. All right. So to find the pressure, I just got to write all these numbers in this order. So what's T2? 200 Kelvin. Oops, forgot to write my units here. Shoot. This is 200 Kelvin. Still screwed it up. Times the initial pressure, which is 340 kilopascal, times the initial volume, which is 1.5 liters, all over the final volume, which is 1 liter, times the final, or the initial temperature, which is 150 Kelvin. Okay? And you can actually do this in a calculator on Google if you wanted to. So my parentheses on the top would be 200 times, what was it, 340 times 1.5 times 340 times 1.5, close the parentheses, divided by 1 times 150, which is just 150. I get 680. Okay. 680 what? Well, the liters cancels with liters, the temperature Kelvin cancels with Kelvin, and I'm left with the pressure, which is kilopascal. And that's the final answer. And that makes sense when you think about all the things that we're doing. We basically just doubled the pressure by changing the temperature and volume. Okay? Any questions on that one? Now, we don't have time to do the other problem, but I will post a video for